Hello and welcome to Martin Lucas Investors channel. My name is Sensei Crypto and I hope we are live. I think we are. We are live and we've got volume. Brilliant. Let me just mute that. Okay, so we are live. Sorry about all of this. I am on holiday. I don't have my studio. I am trying my best right now. It is currently 2:45 a.m. But we are looking at the markets. We are looking at XRP up 20% on the day. This is what we said. The breakout's here. This will move up fast very quickly. Do we have some buffering? I just want to make sure, is the volume okay? Do I need to turn it down? Can you hear me? Is it too buffering? Let me know what's going on. I just want to make sure. I don't know what the internet quality is like. I did a check and it looked good enough to go live, but I want if everyone can let me know if the volume's okay, if the connection's okay, if you can see me okay, if you can see the charts. I need a check because right now it's 2:45 a.m. I've just opened up my laptop and I've downloaded the streaming software, and I'm hoping it's all working to obviously it's not going to be as good as the studio, but just so you can see the screen, just so I can share my thoughts, just so we can all enjoy this moment together, really, because XRP is currently sat at $3.18 after this massive breakout. So I'm going to keep an eye on the chat. Martin saying all good in the UK. Sounds great. Okay, this is good. I'm going to have my going to open up my phone and have the chat right next to me. So here's my phone. I'm going to open up the video. I can't put the chat on screen, but don't worry, I'm looking at all of your comments. So sounds good, all good. Brilliant. Someone who actually holds XR. Yes, I do hold a lot. Well, not a lot. I mean, everyone's it's the majority of my portfolio. The majority of my portfolio is in XRP, and obviously that's a good day for XRP. Will it go down again? It's a bad question to ask now. I mean, right now it's pumping. I mean, right now I'm holding on. We are looking at the all-time highs to be broken very, very shortly. It can happen within this stream. So please do. I don't have the fancy hit the like button. So that's the best I can do. Please do hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done already. Let's enjoy this moment together. Let's get as many people into this stream as we can. That will be great. But wow, what a day for XRP. I mean, this is exactly what we've been saying. A big move to the upside, consolidation, bull flag, breakout, and this is just what you learn from charts. This is why I go live every single Sunday to teach you this, so you can do this to any other chart, any other crypto you can learn. It is a move to the upside, so you're bullish. Then it's consolidating, holding a key level, $2, so you're still bullish. Yeah, $2 is the level of support where people will be buying, the traders will be buying. You want to make sure you hold $2 with your candle closes. That all happened. Then what happened? You broke out the bull flag, and then if you miss the breakout, you always look for a back test, and that back test, whether or not you miss the breakout, it just confirms the breakout, so you're more confident even if you're within holding the crypto. So there's two options. You're not holding and you want to buy the breakout, you're a trader. Okay, you've got the $2.38. Go back on the stream and see exactly what I said when we broke out. $2.38 is key. So if you're a trader, you would look and you enter there. If you're a long-term holder and you just want to be more confident in your position, you look at a breakout and you look and see that you had that bullish back test, that bullish test of a support, that resistance that turned into support. And then look at that. 2 days later, you are up from that last entry of 3 days ago, you are up 35% in 3 days. From the levels of $2, you are up 62% in a couple of weeks. So it's absolutely incredible. I do want to urge everyone, learn about controlling emotions. Don't FOMO in. Do what's right for you. Nothing I say during this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. Don't copy my trades. Don't do what I'm doing. Learn how to do it yourself. But right now, what I'm doing is holding on. This could all turn around. I mean, if you make 80% gains in in a couple of weeks, you make 30% in a couple of days. Some people will look at us and go, "You're crazy for not taking profits," and they're probably right. I mean, you don't see this amount of gains in the stock market for a couple years, 3 years sometimes. Um, so it is a lot of money coming in very quickly, percentage terms. So I would advise that the biggest issue people have with crypto bull runs, they don't take profits. So if you have seen life-changing amounts of wealth, if you can't handle a 50% drop, if when we go into a bear market, it's probably going to go down 80%. If you can't handle that, then do consider selling. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just me and my experience and hearing from everyone else's experiences within a crypto bull run. If you don't take profits, you will be down for either 4 years or forever. You never know. With XRP, I think it's going to stay around forever. So you might just be in a bear market for 4 years. If you can't handle that, if you can't handle 80% crash, then this is not the right market for you. But let's celebrate a little bit because right now XRP is up a lot. What's the highs it hit? It hit $3.20. We're looking for all-time high breakouts. We are looking to break out from out of all-time highs. So that is what we're looking for. That is what we're hoping for. Let me see if we can get the Martyn Lucas shop up. This is what all XRP holders should be holding, is the XRP merch. We've got two wonderful mugs. If you do want to support the stream, if you do want to support me going live at 3 a.m. right now while we are away for my wife's birthday, the dedication to the channel, do consider buying an XRP Moon mug. The profits, I've made it as cheap as I can. There, as Martyn mentioned earlier, there's probably about £5 profit within each of these mugs, which is still great, and I do appreciate the support from me. I do have a part in this. It is Martyn's official shop, but me and Martyn do benefit from you buying and the merchandise. There is other items as well. If you don't just like XRP, you can buy a gift card, you can buy a mug which gives you a full fundamental and technical review. There is other merch as well. You can see Martyn's merch here. His mugs, his bigger mugs, my mugs, my t-shirts. So if you do want to support the channel, please do consider. Let me put the link in the chat. Please do consider supporting it that way because you get a cool mug, you support the channel, you support XRP, and we can all grow together. We are now on the 5-minute time frame for XRP. We are looking at $3.16. Let's see if we break back above. I bought one today, says Rob. Rob, you joined the family. Okay, let me read some of your comments. Unfortunately, I can't put them on the screen, so let me just read the names and what I'm seeing. Gerardo Garcia. I bought at $1.20. I bought at $1.20, just wondering. Yeah, we bought, me and Martyn bought around 30 to 40 cents. My average is probably a little bit higher because I bought at 50 cents as well. So I'm looking at an average around 45 cents, definitely below 50 cents. Okay, I'm here. We can start, says Happy Thoughts. Took a nap earlier and I woke up rich. Dirk, I should be sleeping right now, but it's one of those nights where you just have to keep an eye on the markets. Last bear market lasted 8 years with mini bull markets on some coins, yeah. I mean, XRP hasn't made an all-time high for 8 years. So I bought one today, says Rob. Thank you for your support. Let me put my I'm going to put my notifications off on my phone. If anyone buys a mug, it'll make a sound effect. So or if anyone buys anything from the shop, it'll make a sound effect. So please. Oh, I can't put that on. Let me see what I can do. I bought one today, going to $5. Yes, I do think it is going to $5. I mean, we're looking at the 5-minute time frame right now, but we can zoom out, look at the daily time frame, look at my targets. We're looking at all-time highs, $3.54, and then getting very close to that $5 mark. My main take profit zone between $4 and $6 is where I'm looking to take profits on XRP. Not my whole position, but the majority, over 50%, and then waiting for $10. This time is different. March 2025 ISO 2022 adoption by bank and November 2025 by world adoption. Interesting. Thank you for that. I do think it is very good that XRP is compliant with that. I bought yesterday 2 mugs. Bernie, you are part of the club. Anyone who buys a mug, go on Discord, post a picture of your mugs when they come, or post a order confirmation or whatever you like, and then you get added to the exclusive merch club. I think when I'm back from holiday next week, we're going to have a couple tea times, I like to call them, which basically means me and Martyn will come on. Whoever's got some merch, you can join in on that special Discord, and we can have a nice 30-minute, 1 hour chat off air. I think it'll be nice to talk to everyone like that, like a family. Um, Audio Active Production says, thank you for your dedication to the channel, Sensei. It means a lot for all of us members, especially because you're on holiday. Yes, it's not only I'm on holiday, I've literally just landed. I've just come to the hotel. It's my wife's birthday. She's asleep. I'm out here for the dedication to the channel. Oh, God. That's the dedication, but thanks for your comment. Sure, pictures are following in Discord. Thank you, Bernie. Just want to thank you for your updates. Really curious what happens next few days. Personally, still find difficulties to see when a coin will drop and correct, but still trying to learn it. Yeah, that's all you can do. You can learn from your mistakes, you can learn from others, you can do your research. And the way I do it, I look at Fibonacci's, for example. The reason I sold here and came out with that video that we call it the controversial 50% crash video was the reason I came out and said that is because I personally took profits, not because I'm not bullish on XRP, not because I didn't think it would go higher than $3, but because I wanted to take my initial investment out for 2 reasons. One, because I've experienced the bear market before, so if I take my initial investment out, I've been holding it for 40 cents, 30 cents, I've already made a massive gain. I can take my initial out and be stress free. If it wants to go in a bear market for another 4 years, it won't be ideal, but I won't be too unhappy. Again, that's one of the reasons. The other reason was Bitcoin was looking bearish, XRP was looking bearish. We were at the 1618, very important level, just below $3. It was looking overbought. The RSI was overbought. Not only was the RSI overbought, it was overbought for a while, and it was showing bearish divergence on Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin corrects, XRP corrects. And I took that opportunity to put out that headline saying 50% crash, not because I thought a 50% crash would occur. If you watched the video, I said 30 to 40% correction, if there was a 36, 37% correction, but to put that idea in anyone who's investing in cryptocurrencies right now, that you need to be prepared for a 50% crash. It is a volatile market, it's a risky market. In a bear market, it will drop more than 50%. 50% happens during a bull market. So I wanted to come out and put that message out there. So that's when we sold because of bearish divergence. We were at a significant level. I bought back at $2. I sold again at $2.62 because we failed to break out. Bought again at $2. Bought again at $2. Was then that confirmed my bullishness. And remember when I was talking about the beginning of the stream, there was a bullish pennant forming. What confirmed that I was happy with all the buys I made at $2 and I didn't want to sell out of them was that bullish retest. We broke out of the bullish flag, which is good. Number one, check. I'm happy with my position. I'm happy to hold. Then we came back down and we held $2.38, which was the next important level. Go back and watch the video. And we had even more bullish. We bounced off it very quickly. The daily candle, as you can see, was a wick to downside. And then we broke $2.62. There's three things that we wanted to see occur: holding $2.38, breaking out $2.62. I am now bullish again. We're back above the 1618, made higher highs. Now we're looking for all-time highs. So each of these levels, again, are areas where some people's risk tolerance would allow them to sell. Nothing wrong with selling at this point. But my risk tolerance is very high. I'm waiting for, I think we're going to break all-time highs. My risk tolerance allows me to hold it that long. I've actually got more XRP than I did over here, and I've taken out my initial by trading it. Remember, 95% of traders lose money, so do a lot of research before you start doing that. But I'm ready for $4.70, $5.30. This can happen within 2 weeks. Remember, I've shown you charts of XRP. When it moves fast. Let me see how many likes we have. We've got 287 people watching, but only 46 likes. Please hit that like button. It's now 3 a.m. here on holiday. I've come out doing this live stream. If you do enjoy the live stream, if you do want me to stay live for a bit longer, please do hit that like button. Let's see if we can get it to 150 likes very quickly. We've got the new daily candle opening now. Now, if we're going to get some more volatility, let's go back to the 5-minute candle. The best way to support the channel and me coming live right now is the merch store. You get very cool licensed XRP logos. What do I mean by that? I pay for every mug that gets sold. This a logo is licensed by someone else, so I am I'm paying to use the logo. So it's an additional cost, but it's worth it. We want to do everything official here. So that is the official mug. There's the latte mug. So these are very big mugs. They're not the small mugs that you see a lot of people have. We've upgraded. We've got the bigger mugs, 15 ounce, 17 ounce. They both come with the perk of the Discord exclusive channel for just merch holders. So as soon as you post a picture of that, you'll be added to that. So do consider supporting the channel that way. If you've already got a mug, you want to save up for the next mug we do, you can buy a gift card here. You can buy our specific mugs. You can buy the Get to the Chopper mug. Only 5 of them available, so that gives you a full fundamental review as well. So do consider supporting the channel that way as well. Okay, so we've got the new day. Bitcoin, XRP selling off a little bit. We've got a little bit of a double top occurring right now. I just want to check what the audio is like. Okay, yeah, do hit that like button. Someone just said in the chat. Let me read some more of your comments. XRP is selling off a little bit. It's annoying, but there's nothing wrong with a little bit of a sell off on the new day. I just want to see it to go to all-time highs this stream. I'm just a little bit impatient, but we're looking for it to maybe come all the way back down to $3 and test that. So that will still be completely fine. We are opening the new day down nearly 1%. We are looking at XLM as well. What do we say? XLM is going to have an amazing run as well. It's lagging XRP a little bit, but what's it done yesterday? XLM was up 13% as well, so that's officially broken out of its wedge as well. Not as perfect for the wedge, but you can see lower highs held 41 cents, broke below it, got back above it, held it as support, and now we're looking at XLM also move up probably 33% in the next coming days. What's Flare doing? Flare's back above support, so that's looking good for Flare as well. Sologenic, another coin on the XRP ledger, is doing well. I'm looking forward to how Solo performs as well. This could be a big gainer this cycle. Hit the like button, says Alba. Yeah, please do hit that like button. How many likes are we on now? 311 people watching. It says 7 likes. Let me refresh that. That cannot be right. 91 likes. We can really get the likes up. We can really get much more likes. There's 320 people watching, only 92 likes. I'm disappointed in you guys. I am disappointed. The XRP army is letting me down. I've come live. It's 3 a.m. My wife's birthday. She's asleep in bed. I've come out for the community. And we've only got 93 likes. So not even 50% of the people watching are liking the show. Let's see if we got any more currencies going up on the day. We've got Sologenic, which is slightly up. What else do we have? Bitcoin is flat on the new day. Solo is down a little bit. Okay, let's go back to XRP because that's having a little bit of a sell-off, but I'm sure that sell-off will end and we might make new all-time highs on this new day. So it is a new day. We might come back down to this $3 level, test it as support, and then have a big move to the upside again. So that's what we're looking for now. I wouldn't be too concerned. A little bit of a double top coming back down. I think if we hold $3, that would be a nice bullish retest. Though we are coming down fast now, but I think we will hold $3. James is here. Thank you for moderating. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. What do you mean where I'm at? If anyone can work out where I am with my time zone, it's 3 a.m. right now. Where is it 3 a.m. in the world? I'm sure someone can figure that out. Okay, we're just waiting to see if XRP will hold this level. We are coming into a bit more support. We went up very quickly. There might be some support around here, and ultimately at $3 is something we want to hold as well. But we might see all-time highs in the next hour or so once this settles. Let's look at it on the 4-hour time frame. We must have got our highest 4-hour close. Yes, we have. What is this the highest daily candle close ever? It might be. Let's go back to 2017. It's going to take a while. I'm just scrolling over. This is going to take me a while to scroll over to 2017. Let's see what the highest daily candle close was. Oh my god, I think we got the highest daily candle close ever in the history of XRP. The last highest one was $2.75. $2.75. What was this close today? Yeah, highest ever daily candle close on XRP. Highest ever daily candle close on XRP. That is significant. That is another breakout. That is the highest ever. You can see this candle here. No candle in the history of the price action of XRP has ever closed this high. So we have broken out of that as well. So we've got the highest daily candle close. That is a bullish sign. We can come back down to $2.98, test that if we want to, but this is very bullish. I won't be surprised if we don't and we just make all-time highs today. And by today I mean on this new day. It is today for me as well. But yes, it is looking very, very nice. Highest. Let's just hope it's not a fake out. Remember, it's going to be volatile. I mean, if we break back below $2.98, it could be a fake out. Not a fake out of this pattern, but a fake out of breaking from the 1618. So let's hold $3 for the next couple of days. If not, we will be breaking up to the all-time highs, $3.31 in the next couple of days. The only thing we don't want to do is break below $3 and make a daily candle close below that, because that's when we can start coming down, maybe a 50% drop. Or a 30% correction. We'll see. Right now, by looking at the data that's presented to us right now, all-time highs, breaking out of $2.98, breaking out of the bullish pennant, holding $3 so far, all-time highest daily candle close ever on the price of XRP. This right now, looking at the data we have now, we don't need to speculate too much. We're here basically every day, so we can always change our mind. But right now, with the data presented to us, it is looking good for tomorrow. It's looking good for the week ahead. It's looking good for the month. XRP is looking like it wants to make all-time highs very, very soon. Okay, let's read some comments. Has anyone had a chance to look at the shop? Because I don't think anyone has purchased anything yet. XRP merch. This is the coolest merch. I've got both of them on the way. Martyn has them on the way. Half the members have it on the way. You do not want to miss out. This might get discontinued. We might put a limit on it as well. So please do consider getting the XRP mugs. If you are an XRP holder, why not have the mug? This is the 15 ounce. It's a proper big mug. This is the 17 ounce. It's an even bigger mug. It's a latte mug. It's shaped a little bit different. That does support the channel. There's about £5-6 profit within each of these mugs. So please do help support the channel that way. You can do super chats. You can buy gift cards. You can do what you like, but it's always nice to be supported. So XRP is still coming down. Let me read some of your comments. Let's see if everyone's panicking and FOMOing in, if anyone's getting liquidated because they bought the top of $3.20. Let's see what the comments are saying. 337 people watching. If you can't support financially, please do support by sharing the video. Please do hit the like button. There is also, if you're on your phone or on your laptop, am I showing this properly? You can hit the like buttons. If you already hit the like button, you can do reactions on the comments. SEC appeal is out. Okay, the SEC appeal is out. Not good news. Let me have a look. Let's see what the news is. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure everyone's panicking for no reason. Let me see if I can bring that news. I just want to make sure I'm doing this properly because I'm on my laptop and I need to open a new window. Okay, you've got me on full screen. You've got double me. So let me just do this while I find the news. If you haven't already, please do hit the like button. It's a big noise. Let's find out the news about the appeal. We do probably need to change the title as well. Let's see. Okay, I am going on Twitter. What better way of getting some news than going on Twitter? We are getting the news of the appeal. What is everyone thinking about this appeal? Let me go back on Ecamm Live and put this here. Okay, what's going on? Okay, let's see what everyone is saying about the XRP appeal. Let's type in XRP. Let's see what the news is. What's the comment saying? Greetings from Sweden. Everyone who's just tuned in, hit the like button. We have got news of an appeal that we're just trying to get the right information. Let's see what's the latest. We don't want to Gary Gensler just shot his last XRP bullet. Yeah, Gary Gensler, he's left us with an appeal. So they have filed the appeal. Let me just type in XRP appeal. So the appeal, the deadline was today, and they've done it very last minute again. His last shot, it seems. So they did file their appeal. I wouldn't be worried about it. I wouldn't start panicking. The price might go down, but I think the new administration coming in, they've made it very clear. Gary Gensler is out. That's his final way of saying goodbye. Brad Garlinghouse, Stewart, I can never say his second name. The Ripple attorney met with Donald Trump. I'm sure they're saying that Gensler's going to appeal. We need your help, Trump, and I'm sure Trump will come to the rescue. And even if Trump doesn't, the law's on their side. So let's see. And again, this is not about the if XRP is a security, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. The price might react, but let's just see. Just in, SEC officially files appeal in Ripple lawsuit. Okay, so that is confirmed. I think we need to change the title. So let me do that live. Live all time. Live XRP live SEC appeal confirmed. Thank you everyone for bringing that news. Let's put that there. Okay, so let's see if we can get any further information on this. Gary is such a child, I know. He's just done it for his parting gift. His last FU to the community. I'm trying to see, we don't want to go off too many different pages. We want to get the most. Let's see if Brad said anything. I doubt Brad said anything about this yet. Let's see if Stuart said anything, the official chief legal officer. 10 minutes ago, here we go. This is what we want to hear. Okay, as expected, the SEC's appeals brief is a rehash of already failed arguments and is likely to be abandoned for the next administration. We'll respond formally in due time. For now, know this, the SEC's lawsuit is just noise. A new era of pro-innovation regulation is coming and Ripple is thriving. So I knew what he was going to say. It is likely to be abandoned by the next administration, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. What's the other thing I said? I said even if the new administration doesn't care about it, it is just the same old rubbish arguments they used in the previous case, which they lost. So I'm very confident they'll win it again, whether it's because of the new administration or because the law's on their side. We've seen it happen before. We will do it. We'll fight it. We will win again. Is my sentiment and his sentiment. They're going to give us some more information. So James K. Filing has come out and said the brief. This is XRP community SEC Gov versus Ripple. The SEC has filed his opening brief. So I mean, I don't think XRP's price is reacting too badly to this. I mean, even if it comes down to $3, that'll be fine. So let's see if we can see some more information about what the facts are over here. I just ordered the XRP mug. Corey has supported the channel. Let's see. Yes, we did have a purchase, and I've done something. I've done something cool before I came on stream. Sorry, Corey, if you want to buy two, but I've just remembered to remind everyone. Um, if you do want to buy two, Corey, after I tell you this, then I can cancel this order. But and you can buy two, and I'll refund you for this. But what I've done is, if you want, a lot of people are saying, I want to buy two mugs. Can we have a discount? We're not going to do many discounts. What I can do is do free shipping. So if you order two mugs, because the shipping price will be lower, not really, but it kind of will be. If you buy two mugs, there is free shipping. So, or two or more, however many mugs you want to buy. If it's two or more, you will get free shipping. So support the cause, support the channel, support us going live, um, and consider buying an XRP mug, support the XRP community, support the XRP army, support this channel, support me going live at 3:15 a.m. when it's my wife's birthday. She's asleep in the other room. I'm going live on my first night of a holiday, so I'm whispering a little bit so I don't annoy anyone, but that is the best way to support us. There's many other ways of supporting us. I mean, one of the best ways is becoming a member. $3 a month. Becoming a member, you get access to Discord, you get all sorts. And then once you get access to Discord, if you buy a mug, that mug will be part of a special exclusive mug members channel within Discord. So lots of perks and benefits. If you can't do that, if you can't support us financially, please do hit that like button. 382 people in here, and let's see how many likes we have. Let's see. We've got 169 likes, so we have done much better on the likes. Please do hit that like button and support the channel. Okay, let's look at XRP's price, and then we'll look and see if there's any more news about that appeal. As I said, a little bit of a double top. I won't be surprised it comes back down to $3. Let's see if we hold $3. Let's bounce. Let's see if we can get all-time highs. Let's see if this case doesn't even affect the price. That would be cool. But unfortunately, what would have been better if there was no appeal, and the price would probably be at all-time highs by the end of the day. But I'm sure we'll get to all-time highs. I mean, you're looking at the chart. You look at it on the 3-day time frame, a very sensible time frame, looking at pretty long term, medium to long term, short to medium term probably. You had a big move to the upside, bullish flag. You broke out the bullish flag, you retest the bullish flag, you got back above key levels. You're now got your highest 3-day candle close, your highest daily candle close, back above the 1618. The all-time highs are a fraction of a percent away, and they are looking very likely to happen this week. I don't think this appeal is going to have that much of an effect. I'm sure there will be short-term price action. We might even drop below $3. Right now we are selling off a bit faster. Let's see if we get down to that $3 target that we saw from here, the double top. $3 is the target. Let's see if we bounce from that. Let's go back to the news here. Okay, get the facts. Ripple fight against the SEC anti-crypto stance. Nearly 4 years ago, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a politically driven lawsuit against Ripple rather than faithfully applying the law. The SEC lost on all key issues, yet it decided to appeal to the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. It is a ridiculous waste of taxpayers' money. It's a ridiculous overreach. It is regulation by enforcement. Ripple has always tried to do the right thing, and they're coming after them in the worst possible ways. I'm keeping an eye on the chat. Sorry, I can't put it on the screen. I've got a temporary setup right now. We've got 431 people in here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Zach Sate, I should have 3 mugs waiting for me when at the front door when I get home. I love it, Zach Sate. I wonder who's gonna have the best collection. I wonder who's gonna have all of them lined up. MSK's in the chat. Let's go back to here. Let's read some of your comments before we get into the nitty-gritty of the case. What's XRP doing? It's coming down a little bit. Can we bring this and make it a bit small? Oh no, that ruins everything, doesn't it? Sorry, I've got a very temporary setup. I'm on my laptop. I'm on holiday. Tried to get the best Wi-Fi. tried to go live for you guys, so please do excuse me. Martyn is in the chat. I love it. Yo, did you get your did you get your wife a mug for her b-day? Yeah, she loves all the mugs in the cupboard. She actually does. She thinks they're really cool. Her favourite's the Gets the Chopper mug, which I don't think is the favourite on the channel, which is quite funny. MSK, I've noticed. I'm reading some comments. I can't put them live on the. Actually, I can probably put them on the screen, can't I? If I do this, but then you're seeing me again. Okay, let me try to do this. Pop out chat. Okay, here we go. Let's have some comments on the screen. Very, very small. No, it's not. It's not worth it. I don't think I can make this any bigger. Command big, 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 big. Okay. We're looking at some comments. We're looking at the price of XRP. Let's see if it bounces at $3. We are expecting $3 from this double top. As I said back here, this is just technical analysis. We are looking at the appeal. We are looking at the reasons why the appeal is rubbish. And we are looking at all the other coins. So bear with us. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's read some of your comments. This is what I'm looking for new mugs. I've lost the comment section. Here we go. Is Sensei doing a good job? Thanks, Martyn. Am I doing a good job? God, I'm having a beer with Big Ed, the Amazon guy, and Mark Cuban. With a free beers, lol. I don't actually doubt that at all, to be honest. Good evening, Martyn. Zach, 3 mugs. Zach, take a picture of all the mugs all filled with tea and coffee. Yeah, please do that. That would be very, very cool. We've got 364 people watching. Please do hit that like button. Let's see if anyone else bought a mug. No, we've got only 1 mug purchase within the stream, which is fine. Thank you so much all for supporting the channel. We appreciate you doing this on your holiday, my friend. No worries at all. No. Noel, I need you to send me a recording of how to pronounce your name. Is it Noel or is it Noel? I think it's Noel, isn't it? And I keep saying Noel. I'm sorry for not pronouncing your name properly. It's selling more merch than XRP is selling coins. I wish I was. I wish I was. I had taken solid profits too, but in all honesty, I was not expecting $3 plus today. Yeah, MSK, it happens quickly. Remember, I said that breakout. Once you break out, things happen quickly. Unfortunately, we've just got that appeal, which is working against us right now. But even technically speaking, even if there wasn't an appeal, I would say there's a little bit of a double top happening. I mean, that's what we were saying before we even saw the news, before you guys gave me the news. That is what we saw as a double top. Technically, we're looking at $3. Let me see if we can. Should we do the thing where if we get a mug purchase, 2 mug purchases every half an hour, I will just stay live, and it's 3:30 a.m. so I might be live all night. I don't know if we should do that. I think my wife might kill me. We'll do that for the first half an hour. If we get 1 more mug purchase, I'll stay live for another half an hour. So let's see if that happens. I was going to change a thumbnail, but I don't think it's worth it. $3 is coming up very, very shortly, it seems. Hello, mate from Morocco. Hello. Did anyone guess my time zone? It's 3:20 in the morning. Where am I? Can we have a vote? James, what do you want to vote about? Oh, if I'm doing a good job. I'd rather not. Everyone would say I'm doing a terrible job. My wife would kill me. Matt, my wife's asleep, so she doesn't really know. Martyn is at dinner. The price is directly correlated. His weight goes up and the price comes down. By tomorrow, I'd say it should level out. You need sleep, Jenny. Martyn knows this. Last crypto cycle, sleep wasn't a thing. It was. I don't need sleep, and Martyn was always concerned about me. We're getting into no sleep territory in the cycle again. I should have bought more when I was at $2, but like you said, I did not expect for it to pump at $3. We did. $2, I said, is very likely to be the bottom. Buy a mug now, get to the chopper. James, I love it. What do you think about Dogecoin? I think it's good. I think It's the longest ever meme coin. It's going to do well. It's the people's currency. It's Elon Musk's favorite thing. So it's bound to do well, but I don't see it going too much higher than $2, $1.50. So it's not really one for me. I was holding it. I've sold most of it by now. MSK, what do you think? US for tax. Zaxi? I don't know what that means. Iraq? No, not Iraq, Dirk Douglas. It's 4:24 p.m. where I'm at. Yeah, what's everyone time say your time zone. Everyone just spam the chat with your time zone and put AM or PM. What's everyone's time zone? XRP necklace would be cool. Cool, Matt. Right now, you have to just be happy with the XRP mug, and then we can get you the next match. Everyone has to buy the mug, and then we'll move on to the next thing. XRP will jump strong to $3.20. Let's see. Everyone paste in the chat what your time zone is. 7:25 p.m. James, is the UK 12:30? That's probably why I'm not too tired. 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're the same as Martyn, aren't you, Jenny? 7:25 p.m., 8:25, 6:25, 5:25, 4:26, 12:30. You're back in the UK, Kieran, are you? 6:25. You're in Dubai. Muslim said you're in Dubai. Not far. I'm not in Dubai, but you're not too far. 8:25, 12:26, 1:26. Oh, so I'm literally no one's later than me. Is anyone up later than me? 3:25 a.m. You're the same. You are the same. I love it. So you must be in Dubai. 2:25 a.m. Is anyone at 4:25? 6:25, 12:25 UK time. 11:30. Okay, let's get back to the charts. I'm wasting too much time looking at everyone's time zones. I love it though. Thanks for all letting me know your time zones. It's very, very interesting. Let's see the 2,300 people through the chat, through the video so far. So thank you all for supporting the channel. Please do hit the like button if you haven't done so already. 3:25 a.m. That is the same as me. Sensei, could you be in Abu Dhabi? Brunette, close but no cigar. I'll give you a clue. Wrong country. Lebanon? No, I'm not in Lebanon either. Okay, XRP's at $3.03, so we're coming down to $3. Let's see if we hit it. See if we come down to that $3 mark. I mean, $3 is actually over here, but that's the high there. We can put $3 in as well. Here we go. We're coming down. $3.04. We are coming down to $3, it seems. Okay, I think we'll get a bounce around these areas. We have got that appeal. Thanks for everyone for telling me about that. We've covered it now, exactly what my thoughts were. Anyway, bring on the appeal. We will win. We will come out on top. Whether it's because the law's on our side, which it is, or because the new administration will drop the case, which they probably will. We saw that meeting between Brad and Trump and Stewart. So I'm not too worried about it. In fact, once that appeal's finished, done with, that's one more tick for XRP, for Ripple. Well, it's mainly for Ripple, but also for XRP. That's just one final reason to pump XRP. We've got the XRP ETF that can come after. We've got the Ripple IPO, which can come after. We've got, what else do we have for XRP? We have America using it. I mean, 80% of their business was outside of America. Once that finishes, there will be a lot more adoption. So I'm not too worried about this. Little drop. What are we down now on the day for XRP? It's down 3.65%. But don't forget where we just were. We are back above $3. This is highs. This is very, very good news. Okay, I think we are coming up to the end of the show. If we get one more mug purchase, I'll stay live for at least another 15 minutes. Let me give you guys one more chance. Otherwise, we'll be ending the show. It is way too late to be streaming right now. It's $3.30 right now. Let me give you the merch. There's XRP mugs. Support the channel. Get access to Discord's private channel. That's the shop. Support the shop. Let me put the XRP merch link as well. Let me put it in the chat. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. If we get one mug purchase in the next 5 minutes, I'll continue going live. But if we don't, we'll end the live stream. We're going to look at this. Let me just look at your comments. Oh, Stephen Fennell, thank you very much for supporting the channel. That is very, very kind of you. Saudi Arabia, Jordan. No and no. Turkey, no. Iran, bro, no. Istanbul, no. Sensei in Saudi Arabia, no. You are in Qatar. You are correct. You are correct. Yes, I am. I wish I could give you a prize, but I can't even pronounce your name. I don't want to. I apologize if I pronounce Saudi. No, I'm not. Let me try and pronounce your name. And I apologize for getting this wrong. Abdurrahman El Gulanyuni. Thank you very much. You are correct. Congratulations. Did anyone say it before you? No, no one said it before you. You are the first one. Congratulations. I wish I could give you cheers and fireworks and all that sort of stuff. Sold my $2 trading bag just in case there's a nice dip. Congratulations, MSK. I'll do the same. Sleep well. I have 1:30 a.m. We are looking. If anyone buys a mug in the next few minutes, we will stay live. The mugs I've already showed you on screen are here. You've got the XRP merch. You've got 2 mugs. These are very, very big mugs as well. They are very cool. I've got 2 on the way. Martyn has 1 on the way. Half the community have 1 on the way. So if you don't, you're missing out. Here we go. We've got $3 XRP. We are really coming down now. Let's see if we bounce on $3. This is what we were expecting. Where's the bounce? Where's the bounce? We're not getting the bounce. We are not getting the bounce. We might get the bounce any second now. $3. Come on. Where's the bounce? Where is the bounce? Is Bitcoin coming down as well? No, Bitcoin's fine. It's XRP. Let's see if we get the bounce. Should we put time on the screen? I don't think I can. Let me read your comments. Beer fund. Noel, thank you. Noel, thank you very Noel, I don't know how I'm saying your name. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Without you, there would not be me. Without the channel, there wouldn't be me. So thank you very much for supporting the channel. Get your mug, subscribe, like, enjoy your drink, listen to the show daily. Yes, Sensei. Wow, have a nice holiday, Sensei. I have family that lives in Saudi Arabia. Amazing, James. It is a very safe end of the woods, isn't it? Very nice culture here. Well, yeah. Beer fund. Come on, people. Man's on a holiday. Very nice people over here. Sleep well. I have 1:30 a.m. Hi, Sensei. What's the price target will be after the appeal, do you think? I mean, this cycle, I'm still targeting $5. I still think $10 is fairly likely, and I'm still going to wait for $5. I don't think this appeal is too important. I don't think it will have too much of a bearing on the price either. If the appeal comes to an end, then that might pump the price of XRP. But if it doesn't come to an end by the time this bull market's finished, and I think the bull market will be finished within the next 6 months, then no problem at all. Might drop back below $2. Yeah, it definitely can. I don't think it will. Oh, oh, I'm not going to say the person's name unless their YouTube name is the same because I don't want to give away any personal details. But we just got a mug purchase, so we're going to stay live for another 15 minutes. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Which mug did you buy? If it's Martyn's mug, I just won't stay live. I'm joking. I hope Martin doesn't hear that. Thank you very much for your purchase, and that is equivalent to about a $5 super chat. So thank you very, very much. And you get a mug and you're supporting the channel. So it is very, very kind of you. And now I'm staying live for longer. So you got what you wanted. Who purchased the mug? I can't see your name. Okay, let's go back to the price of XRP. Are we holding $3? No, we're not. Uh-oh, here we go. Big crash incoming. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming down fast. What's next? We're looking at maybe $2.80. Look, we've already got the positive outcome. What's the positive outcome? You go on the daily candle, you can see we had a big move to the upside. We've got the highest ever daily candle close. That's got to mean something. We've got the 1618 from the 2021 high. If we hold $3, not just right now on the shorter time frame, but we've got a whole 24 hours to hold to get back above $3. If we do, we are super bullish on XRP. If we don't, then we start looking at some lower levels. We start looking at $2.73 again. We start looking at $2.62 again. But right now, we've got a whole 24 hours to hold $3. So I'm not going to look at it too deeply right now. We are getting a reaction from the appeal. So it is very volatile. We went up quickly. We're coming down quickly. What's important is where we close. Oh my God, there's so much support right now. We've got Zach, we've got Chris with the $2. Thank you so much. We are definitely staying live for longer. Thank you very much. Sensei, does this cycle refer to 4 years? Yeah, it refers to the 4 year cycle. Where are we in the cycle right now? We are in the bull market stage of the cycle. Um, we are within the 4 year cycle. Depends where you take the 4 year cycle from, but the stages. There's a 2 year bear market. There's the halvening year, where we get the price start going back up. That was last year, and the year after the halvening occurs on Bitcoin is normally the year where you get the most gains of Bitcoin, the most gains, especially on the alts coins as well. So that is what the cycle refers to. Where are we on the cycle? We are at the very last stage of the cycle where we get that euphoric move to the upside. So yes. Zach Zate, thank you so much. Martin heard it. I thought I got away with it. I heard it, lol. I can't believe it's unbelievable. Sensei, you are incredible. He listens to it. Martin, you should be having dinner right now. Just go do your go have some dinner. Let me say what I want. Sensei, you're incredible. Go enjoy your vacation. This channel is addictive. Thank you very much, Zach Zate. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Whether you support it through super chats, whether you support it with likes, whether you support it by watching, sharing, super chats, all this stuff, you are supporting the channel. Thank you very much for everyone who's doing that. People selling for profit. Yeah, people selling for profit. People selling for fear, manipulation going on. Someone wants to buy XRP cheaper. HBAR, XLM, XRP are the one. Do you think we will hit the $10 during the cycle? I think we will. I'm not waiting for that to occur, but yeah, I think we can. Depends if there will be warning signs to say, okay, we're not going to hit $10, and I will be looking at that every week on my Sunday show, and within throughout the week. But if someone said, um, would you give it over a 50% chance for XRP to hit $10? I would say it could go either way, but probably. 51% chance that XRP is $10. I'm not in Turkey. We've already sorted this out. We've already guessed where I am. You need to be in bed. Yes, it's 3:45 a.m. But the support is great. I'm sure everyone wants. Okay, here we go. Big crash. Shall we change the thumbnail? Does everyone want to see me try and make a thumbnail? I'm very new to this. I'm very bad at this. Should we try and make a thumbnail together? So here we go. Let's do. We need to change the thumbnail because Gary Gensler has XRP. How quickly things can change, right? XRP crash. Because we are really moving down fast. We are making a thumbnail all together right now. Can I make it red? I don't think people can see it. Keep it XRP SEC appeal. Let's get the news out. Let's make sure no one's FOMOing in or out. What should that word be down there? What's everyone saying to this? SEC submits brief for Ripple case. Yes, we've seen that. Just stay up now. Yeah, Matt. I mean, it's I'm too far gone. Big up Martyn in the chat. Do you think we'll hit $10? SEC appeal, XRP crash. What should I put down here? FOMO. I've just got a notification come from somewhere. I don't know where. FOMO. What word should I put down here, guys? I need help making a thumbnail. Hello, what's your opinion? Sensei used Canva free artwork. I just have started using Canva also in the last week. It's really good. Yeah, it's really cool. It's very easy to use, and I'm just getting started. Trying to take some workload off Martyn because he does a lot. There's a lot of time that goes into these things. And I just want to experiment myself. XRP is coming back a little bit. We have had this big crash. We're looking at the SEC appeal right now, but we also are looking to do a thumbnail. Have we set the next Lucasade re-entry level for XRP? I'm thinking $2.25. I mean, the next critical level really is if you're really high risk, high bullish. You're looking at $3 as your first entry, $2.88, and then $2.73. If you're more conservative, then you're looking at the next entry. Let's go to a daily time frame. I think the appeal was the reason. Yeah, $2.62, and then $2.39. So it depends how risky, what your risk tolerance is. If it's high and you want to make sure you're part of it, then you're looking at $2.62, $2.73, $3. If you're happy to miss out and you want to enter lower, then you're looking at $2.38, $2.28, and then $2 again. Oh, so God made a farmer. What now? I love it. What now? Thank you. So God made a farmer. Should we get Gary's face on this? How do we get Gary's face? We need to find a Gary's face. Elements. Gary Gensler. No, we don't have a Gary Gensler. I'm looking for a Gary. We don't have a Gary. Can I just use Gary's face from the internet? I think I can. Gary Gensler. Oh, use this one. This one's quite a funny picture of Gary. I have a feeling I don't want to expose too much, so let me just go to my face only. Let's get rid of this. You're just looking at me while I save something to my documents. Please do hit the like button if you haven't already. As we're staying live longer and as you guys have supported, we will stay live longer. So I apologize for doing some of this during the show, but we will be staying live longer and we can talk about XRP for a bit longer as well. I can bring you back to, please do hit that like button. I'm on full screen right now. I feel a bit self-conscious, so let's move back to this. How do we get Gary on here? Uploads, upload file. Let's see what we're looking at. We want Gary Gensler. I'll just drop it in. There we go. We've got Gary's face here as well. This is the world's worst thumbnail. But we're going to do it. Where can we put Gary? Should we remove his background? Sorry guys, we are looking at XRP's price, but I'm also making a thumbnail. So you're looking at the behind the scenes. Do you like the behind the scenes, or are you really annoyed that I'm doing behind the scenes live on the show? Just to remind you, I am not in the studio. I don't have all my fancy cameras and screens. I can't do 50 things at once. I am on holiday. It is 3:45 a.m. I'm just here to share the moment with you guys of the big pump and dump of XRP. So I do apologize. Um, Looks great. Remove background. Yes. Have coffee in the latte mug. Gary's face makes me nauseous. We do have the membership link here if you do want to become a member and get that badge next to your name. Get access to Discord. Members only perks. Please do consider that. No, don't blind me with Gary Gensler's face. Use Mr. Burns as Gary Gensler. Oh, it looks like everyone's enjoying it. I agree, Sensei. The face doesn't fit you. Time for a photo shoot. Sensei, use the background remover tool. Yes, yes, yes. You guys are better at thumbnails than me. Would you sell at $3 to try and make more XRP? Probably not. Not. No, I wouldn't. Here we go. We've got rid of his. Got rid of his. Where should we put Gary? Should we just do his face? I'm I'm under so much pressure. There's how many people? There's 313 people watching me make a thumbnail for Gary Gensler. Oh yeah, that's a little bit funny, isn't it? Gary's face up there. Okay, let's just save it unless anyone has some suggestions. SEC rubbish. It's all good if you're on Photoshop. You can lipstick on him. Would he sell at $3? No. Let's have a look at XRP's price. Okay, we are just hovering. It looks like we are going to continue moving down further. We'll have a look at Twitter in a second, see if there's any updated news. What's everyone's reaction to the SEC appeal? Oh, we've got a new member. Thank you for becoming a member, Chris Bistow. Oh, guys, it's 3:47 a.m. I can't start really editing this. I was just gonna say if anyone glasses. No, I can't. I can't. I'm just gonna save it. I can't do all of this right now. Let's just save this file. Save. Download. Okay. Okay. That's downloading. Way too late. 3:47 a.m. I was going to have an early breakfast with the missus. Uh-oh. Another member. Oh, Laura, you're a lady, and the reason I make that clear is not because I'm being weird, but just because we have the highest engagement percentage of women on this channel for a finance channel. So normally, if you go to a finance channel, you've got about 2% ladies, and you're a silver member, so you'll be on the homepage of the channel. Normally, if you go into another channel, you've got about 1 to 5%, I would say. On this channel, we've got about 10 to 15%, and we want to make this an open area for more women to join. Finance should be for everyone, but it's a very male-dominated YouTube thing right now, so we want to make this more open to ladies. We are very open to everyone joining. We are very understanding of everyone. So Martyn's in the chat. He'll be very excited to give you all your perks and benefits. So if you join us on your live show as a silver member, you get a lot more perks. So welcome to family. We are here to serve. So you can feel welcomed here and not disregarded. It's the SEC appeal. Okay, did this download? No. Why is this not downloading? It's not downloading. Okay, here we go. Be final. Okay, so that's saved. So what I'm going to do is go back on full screen so you can see my lovely big face again while I update the thumbnail. Oh, very dark. Oh, have I frozen? Oh, that was very weird. I looked like I was frozen for a while. Sorry about that. Okay, let me put you here. We are going to update the thumbnail, then we'll get back into all the exciting parts of the appeal, the price action, your comments. So I'm just doing this. If you are watching me on full screen, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, check out the merch. We'll be going live in another 15 minutes. Um, it is so late right now, so I don't even know what I'm saying. Let me change the thumbnail and then we'll get straight back into the show. Change. New thumbnail. What did I call it? What did I call the thumbnail? The XRP final thumbnail, was that it? Yes. Okay. Save. Uploading. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Check out the merch. Let me know what your thoughts on XRP are. I apologize for doing everything live on the show for you guys right now. It's 3:50 a.m. I'm going crazy. My wife's in bed. It's her birthday. And I'm live on YouTube. I have to do it. Um, let's save the new thumbnail. Okay, let me put you back on the screen. Oh, XRP's coming up again. Okay, let me sort this out. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think the thumbnail should be live now. Let me check. Brad just tweeted. Brad just tweeted. Brad just tweeted. Brad just tweeted. Who gave me that news? Kieran, you should become a member if this news is right. Brad just tweeted. Brad just tweeted. Brad just tweeted 34 minutes ago. I guess we haven't looked at it. So thanks for bringing it to our attention. Here we go. So what we're talking about, now we can get back into the show, read your comments. XRP pumped massively, highest daily candle close ever. Super bullish, out of a breakout. Very excited about that. I think all-time highs are coming. Even with this appeal, I think all-time highs are coming in this week. This week, I think they will come. If we do have a big breakout to the downside, a move back below $3 and holding below $3, excuse me, holding below $3, then we'll have a problem. Then we're looking at lower levels, $2.68. And worst case, we might look at $2 again. But right now, with the information we have, the new all-time high on the candle close, the daily candle close, along with, let me just show you the chart, that getting that high, getting that big move to the upside. What we need is not to panic right now. The 24-hour candle close isn't happening for another 24 hours. I mean, the daily candle close just closed about 50 minutes ago, so we've got another 23 hours to just hold this level. The 1618, that is a Fibonacci level from 2021, very important. If we hold, and it's basically at $3, just below $3, if we hold that level, I am super bullish on hitting all-time highs tomorrow, this week. What's happened? What caused the price to go down? I don't think maybe we were a bit overbought and there was a little double top. That's what we were looking at before the appeal anyway. But I think the appeal definitely did put a suppressant on it. Remember, it was the last day they could appeal. Everyone was getting excited that they weren't going to appeal, but Gary Gensler had to come out and give it the final blow. We put that new thumbnail up, but we also need everyone to hit the like button to get more people into the show. So please do consider doing that. Now Brad's come out, and let's see what Brad has said. One definition of insanity: doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Gensler SEC really took Gensler's SEC really took this to heart. Yeah, I mean, what are they doing? The same fake news, the fake information they used in the last case. The politically, what did he call it? He called it. They called it the Ripple. I've called it actually a politically driven lawsuit against Ripple rather than a faithfully applying the law. The SEC lost on all key issues, yet has decided to appeal on the Courts of Appeals for Second Circuit. And that's what Brad's saying, is that they're going after the same thing again. Every time they're losing, they're going after it again, wasting taxpayers' money, regulation by enforcement, going about it the wrong way. Gary Gensler just on his final day out decides to do this. I think it's ridiculous. Um, and So let's have a look at this because this gives you further clarity. This is from Ripple's website. We can also look at Stuart's response as well. As expected, the SEC's appeal brief is a rehash of already failed arguments and is likely to abandon by the next administration. Will respond formally in due time. For now, know this: the SEC's lawsuit is just noise. I agree. I said this before I read this tweet. I said the next administration is probably going to get rid of it. Brad met with Trump along with his legal team. And it's all nonsense anyway, so they'll win it anyway because the appeal is based on nonsense. Let me just read your comments before we come on to the actual facts, because I saw some super chats come through. I'm going to close some things because I think my computer's being slow. Let's just close some things down that we don't need. Okay, remember, this is not my normal setup. I'm on holiday. It's 4 a.m. nearly, and I'm on my laptop, so I apologize for not having the proper quality you guys are used to. Do you think it'll hit $10 yet? We've replied to that. I just saw some things come through. Oh, Chris became bronze member. We spoke to Laura. You are all jet lagged. Thanks for being here. Yes, I am. I missed a comment on the last video. Thanks, but I appreciate your comment. Yeah, love the discussion. Um, is that other mug sale? Is that another mug sale? No, no. If we get another mug sale, it'll stay live for another 15 minutes. If not, we'll end this in probably 10 minutes. You forgot to add tears to his face. Josh, goodness gracious, it's 4 a.m. I'm probably ending the show in 10 minutes anyway. I just don't know what I'm doing anymore. Um, Making thumbnails live on stream. Let's read the facts because that's what's important. We're looking at the price getting back above $3. We already know what we want from the technicals. We want to be back above $3 when this daily candle closes in 23 hours. So that's what we're looking for to occur here. I'm going to turn this around because my computer's getting hot. So we're back above it already. So the news did bring it down. We're back above it already in 23 hours. If we're back above $3, I think we're on track to all-time highs tomorrow. Really, realistically, I don't see anything blocking its way to all-time highs. I think that can happen today, tomorrow. Lucky for some, that means tomorrow. Unlucky for some, today, because it's 4 a.m. where I am. We will stay live. If we don't get a mug purchase in the next 5 minutes, we'll finish the show in the next 10 minutes. So do consider buying a mug. They're the XRP mugs. Support the channel, support us this way as well. If you don't have a mug yet, you're not part of the Cool Club. You won't be part of the exclusive merch club either on Discord. There are all different types of mugs as well. You can see the mugs, you can see the clothes, you can see my specific logo. If you like my logo, it's much better than Martyn's logo. You've got the jumper, t-shirts, mugs, all sorts. Okay, now let's get on to just check your comments, and then we'll get on to the facts about the appeal. Brad copied my comment on here from earlier. He must be a viewer. That's exactly right. I love it. Okay. Here we go. This is officially from Ripple. These are the facts. If you want to know the facts, if you want to tell your friends about the facts, here are the facts. Nearly 4 years ago, the US Securities and Exchange Commission filed a politically driven lawsuit. That's Ripple using those words. Oh, did I lose connection? I just said my AirPods connected again, so I hope you could hear me. Martyn's always here. Oh God, Martyn heard me again. Martyn, when are you going to eat your food? Oh my God. I'm joking. Martyn's mug is much better than my mug. His logo is much better. Forgive me, Martyn. Don't cut this don't cut the stream short. Oh no, I've done it again. I thought we were in the clear. I thought Martyn might have been eating. He's always listening. Do all mugs come with technical review? Kim, if you want a technical review, if you buy a mug, I'll do a technical review. They don't come with a technical review. The Gets the Chopper mug is the only one that comes with a full fundamental and a technical review, a 1 hour video. That's why it's priced accordingly. The other mugs come with other perks, such as the Discord. But if you want me to do a technical review for you, Kim Prince, if you buy a mug in the next 5 minutes, I'll do it for you. Or if anyone does. All the mugs purchased in the next 5 minutes come with a technical review. Let's put it that way. And I'll be live all day until I do those reviews. 5 minutes, so it's 4 o'clock now. We've got until 5 past. Okay, so this is officially from Ripple. The SEC lost on all key issues. Yes, they did. Yet it decided to appeal to the Court of Appeals for Second Circuit. Waste of taxpayers' money. As Gary Gensler's last shot at us. Thankfully, you can't ever do it again. Ripple remains committed to defending against SEC's overreach. It is an overreach, both for itself and for the entire crypto industry. Ripple is fighting a battle for all of us, not just for Ripple. Remember that. Everyone was against Ripple. The whole crypto market hated Ripple. The other Coinbase and other exchanges delisted XRP. They were scared. They weren't backing XRP. Uphold kept XRP. So, but at the end of the day, when the SEC came after Coinbase, when XRP came after when the SEC came after Coinbase, when the SEC came after other crypto projects, what did they do? They came running to Ripple. Those projects. They came saying, "Oh, can we use your case? Can you come and help defend us? Can you do this? Can we?" So at the end of the day, Ripple is the savior of the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple is helping the entire industry. It's not fighting it just for XRP's sake. It's fighting it for all those other cryptocurrency projects which do not have the hundreds of millions of dollars that XRP does to fight the case. As the SEC's appeal and Ripple's cross appeal unfolds, it's important to get the facts right. So what are the facts? What is not being appealed? The appeal does not question whether XRP itself is a security. That's what we really do care about. That's what is important. The only other cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin that is deemed not a security, that's one of the reasons I'm so bullish on XRP is XRP. The only cryptocurrency that's not deemed a security is XRP. And that's what came out of that previous lawsuit, and that is not in question. In July 2023, the court ruled that XRP on its own is not an investment contract and therefore not a security. The SEC is not challenging this ruling. They're not going after that. They know how wrong they were about that. The SEC clarified in 2023 that they do not consider XRP a security, and the SEC's attorneys even acknowledged that arguing a token alone as a crypto asset security was incorrect. XRP now joins Bitcoin and Ethereum in having explicit legal clarity on as a non-security. So okay, they're bundling Ethereum in as well. As Jay Clayton once said, Ethereum is not a security, but later there was some dispute about that. But I'll go with what Ripple's saying, and Ripple's saying it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP being not a security. What's the SEC appealing? The SEC's appeal focuses on whether Ripple's own sales of XRP on crypto exchanges and other distributions like grants and charitable contributions qualify as investment contracts. I think we just got a mug purchase. Kim, was that you? Do you want your technical review? The court agreed that Ripple ruling that these sales are... Where were we? What is the SEC appealing? It's appealing if the sales of XRP on crypto exchanges and other distributions qualify as investment contracts. The court agreed with Ripple, ruling that these sales and distributions did not require SEC registration. This is the decision that SEC is appealing. Okay, cool. They will lose that as well because that is not an investment contract. Okay. Why Ripple is cross-appealing? Ripple's cross-appeal seeks to preserve all its defendants, including that of an investment contract, requires traditional contractual rights and obligations. Ripple will continue to challenge the SEC's flawed lawsuit defending not just its own interests but those of the broader crypto community in the US and globally. I'm not concerned. The main thing is XRP a security? No, it's not. That's not even that's not even in question. Do I think they'll win the appeal? Yes. Is it a massive issue if they don't if they lose the appeal? Yes. Do I think the SEC will win the appeal? No, I don't. Do I think Ripple will win the appeal? Yes, I do. I said that wrong. I don't think the SEC is going to win. Even if they win, they're probably not going to win the full. I really don't think crypto exchanges selling XRP qualifies in investment contracts. They've already disproven that in the main case, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. Kim Prince said, "It's not you yet." Okay. Sensei needs sleep. Okay. Kim, I'll wait a little longer. Let's see if you get your mug. Let's see if we can do a technical review. If not, we will be ending the show. I think XRP is getting its pump. Yeah, back above $3. We're all good. We are all good. Here we go again. Let's see if we can completely disregard these events. We're back above $3. Let's see if the pump continues. What is Bitcoin doing? Oh, Memphis. Chris, yes, it was you. Chris Bistow, thank you for purchasing a mug. It was you. Oh, Kim said, don't wait. Okay, no worries. Kim, um, not Kim, sorry. Chris, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Made sure to get your mug, lol. Don't tell Martyn. Oh, which mug did you get? Let me see. Oh, you actually got the Sensei Crypto mug. Oh, thank you. I love it. Don't tell Martyn. Martyn's just listening. He'll know. He won't be happy. I won't tell Martyn. You don't tell Martyn. We'll all be good. Um, okay. Well, it's good news again. XRP's up. Did you want me to do a review for you? Um, because I did say if you get a mug, I'll do a review. Keep forgetting it's Chris. Chris, do you want me to do a review for you before I go? Any last questions from everyone? Up to an all-time high in 12 hours, not financial advice? Yeah, it can definitely happen. Yep. Made sure to get my mug. Yep, you did get my mug. The mug you got was this one here, I think. Yep. There was also the XRP mug, which is actually the most popular mug right now. I understand why. My favorite mug is definitely my mug. I liked our first collection, which is sold out. We'll do another collection like this again when we have a big event. I want to see who will have the biggest collection of mugs and merch. That person will get a prize at the end of the year. They will get like 5 mugs. Whoever's got the best collection. um, yeah, it's a cool shop, I think. We've got the limited edition collections, so that's the one that was sold out. We had the Magic mug as well, which was sold out. This one doesn't have a number on it, but it's still me and Martyn's collection. So you'll be part of the Discord members only once you get your merch. This is the Get to the Chopper. There's 5 of them available, so that is limited edition. Because there's only 5 available, that gives you the full fundamental analysis. What else do we have? We've got the full XRP merch, which is the 15-ounce one as well. Still a big mug. Then we've got Martyn's. We've got Martyn's logo, which is signed. The latte mug, it's signed digitally. He's not signing every mug. That's the jumper. That's the t-shirt, both embroidered. You've got the same for me. 15-ounce, 17-ounce, embroidered shirt, embroidered jumper. You've got gift cards. If anyone wants to buy a gift card and then put the gift card number in the chat. If everyone subscribes, we'll hit 60,000 subscribers. Please do subscribe. If you've got a gift card here, you can buy a gift card, put the gift card number in the chat and give away a gift card, or you can start saving towards your mugs. And then these are all the mugs here. So do consider buying something from the shop to support the channel. And any last mug purchases, I'll stay live for another 10 minutes. you want a review of a specific currency, you want HBAR, you want XLM, you want Dogecoin, you want a stock, I will do a technical review for you if you buy a mug in the next 5-10 minutes before we end the stream. And that also applies for you, Chris, as well. Let's look at your comments. We looked at the appeal. Let's see what else is going on. Is there anything else going on? XRP appeal. Gary Gensler waiting until the last minute to file the SEC appeal. Yep, that's exactly what he did. That is exactly who Gary Gensler is, the type of person he is. Doing it at the last minute, like he always does. Okay, let's look at your comments. Chris, I'm just saying, is there anything you want me to have a look? You don't have to choose something to have a look at. I'm just saying, is there a cryptocurrency you want me to have a look at the chart? I'll have a look at it if you like. If not, thank you very much. Asian market starting up, pump part 2. You need a mug that says not financial advice. Yes, I do. Why did they appeal? Because it's the SEC and it's Gary Gensler's last final present. That's why they appealed. No, oh, Chris, I'm just saying. Sometimes people on my Sunday shows ask me, "Can you have a look at XLM?" And then I do a chart on XLM, or someone that says, "Can you have a look at Tesla stock?" And then I have a look, and we call it reviews. So I'll review a stock, I'll review a crypto for you. If you want that, then you can have that. Just tell me what the ticker is, and I can have a look at it. If not, thank you very much. Late long nights will get wrecked in this move. It's 4:11 a.m. Connection is good. Okay. Sensei, you do have a very good logo. Thank you, James. I do like your logo as well. Please smash the like button. Okay, how many subscribers are we on? Because that is something I want to look at. Let me go here. Let me, firstly, how many subscribers are we on? I have to look at it somewhere else. Let me go here. Justin, Ripple's chief legal officer, says, yeah, no, it's not Justin. We've already looked at that information, but thank you for bringing it to us again. We've looked at that information about an hour and a half ago now. No, Chris, don't worry at all. Oh, you are one of our new members. No worries at all, Chris. Thank you for becoming a member. There is stick around. You'll see Martyn. I'm actually on holiday. Martyn's doing a lot. He always does the weekly shows, so you can always ask him about how the membership works, what your perks and benefits are, being added to Discord, all that sort of stuff. So thank you for joining the family. I'm just looking to see how many subscribers we're on. And don't apologise at all. Sorry, late arrival. Where can I find the document you were referencing? John Wordley, the document I was referencing is this one here from the SEC. It's the SEC Appeals fact sheet. You can go on to, I think it was either Brad or Stuart was linked to it. This is Stuart Alderoti. He's the chief legal officer for Ripple, and his link there gives you the facts about the SEC appeal. We're on 59,733 subscribers, so if everyone subscribes, we might hit 60,000 on live on the stream. Okay, any more mic purchases? Last chance for a review. And those are the mugs there. That's the merch store. I'll give you the link. Last 2 minutes. You get if you buy 2 mugs, you get free shipping, and I'll stay live for another 15 minutes. If not, have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. I need to go to bed. Did Chris want me to have a look at something? No, my laptop is slowly dying on me. It's going very slow. Your wife is a lucky woman. I know, right, Sammy? So lucky. Welcome to all the new subs. Yes. Okay. 2 mugs, you get free shipping. Get 2 mugs, I'll stay live. Oh, did we get a new mug? No, 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 we haven't. If you put 2 mugs in your basket, or a jumper and a t-shirt or whatever, put 2 items in your basket, you'll get free shipping. I'll stay live longer until 1:30, or a little bit longer than that probably. I'll give you guys 2 or 3 minutes. If not, we'll be wrapping up the stream. Let me give you my breakdown. Finally, we're back above $3. $3. Remember, at the end of the day, I want to see us. We've got about 23, 22 hours to get back above $3 and close the daily call above $3. I'll be very bullish. I'll see all-time highs today, tomorrow, this week. That's why I expect for XRP. The appeal is bad news. It's unlucky. I don't think it's too big of an issue. I wouldn't be too worried about it. XRP itself is not a security. That's not being appealed. That's still all fine. It's just a bit worse for Ripple itself, I think. Then if appeal gets dropped, that's another reason XRP can go up in price. We get the XRP ETF, we get the case coming to an end, we get the business coming back in the US. All sorts to look forward to for XRP, but right now the technicals is the highest ever daily candle close on XRP. Yesterday, we're back above the $3 level, which is good. The technicals are saying let's keep on going higher. Again, nothing I ever say is financial advice. Do your own research. If you lose money, that's down to you. If you make money, that's down to you. Do not ever come to me saying you lost your money because of me or you made your money because of me. It is all down to you. Just like MSK once said, I made 200 grand because of Sensei, and then he corrected himself and said, well, I did do a lot of research. That is um, that is the way to approach it. He wouldn't be, if he lost all his money, he wouldn't say anything to me either. So do your own research. I'm always prepared for a 50% crash. I'm prepared for an 80% crash. I'm prepared for a $10 XRP. I'm prepared for all circumstances. Make sure you are prepared for all circumstances as well. We did get the appeal. And the appeal, I think, is not too important. Gary Gensler did it in Gary Gensler fashion and did it in the last possible second, which is unfortunate. How about Flare? No, it's not a dumb one. I like Flare. So what I'm going to do is just look at the chart very quickly because we're ending the show. Thank you, Chris, for purchasing a mug. We'll look at Flare. I think Flare is a great token. I also want to redirect this to a different show if we can. Oh, it's already redirected. You'll be redirected to Bank of America earnings in the morning. Very, very, very important show that will be. If Bank of America comes out and says it confirms the fact that XRP it's been used on all internal. Oh my God, we got a. I'm staying live for longer. Here we go. We got someone buy 2 items. We got someone buy 2 items. Who was it? Let yourself be known in the chat. Who's making me stay live longer? 2 XRP mugs. Very interesting. Did your free shipping work? Thank you very much for your purchase on the shop. Own up. Who was it? Who was it? Who's making me stay up later? Who's making my wife get angry at me in the morning? Who was it? Christopher Pennington. Yes, it was you. Christopher, it was you. Thanks. If I'm going to have to blame you, I'm going to write your name down, and then when my wife says, "Why are you so tired?" on the first day of my birthday holiday, I'll say, "It is all Christopher Pennington's fault. It's not Chris Bristow's fault. He just bought one mug and wanted a quick review. It was Christopher Pennington's fault. He made me stay live until 4:30 a.m. He says you don't need to stay live. Thank you for all your support and great content, Christopher Pennington. That is so kind of you. Just tell me what you want me to have a look at. I want to stay live for a little bit longer because you did do that. So, what do you want me to have a look at? Do you want me to? What do you want me to explain? Do you want me to talk a bit more about XRP's technicals, my take profit levels, um, uh, explaining how charts work on XRP? Do you want me to look at the SEC appeal? Do you want me to look at a different coin? Do you want me to look at other? What do you want me to tell you? What my other holdings are? Christopher, give me something. Oh, you bought some mugs. You've supported the channel. The biggest contribution of the night, Christopher. I appreciate it a lot. Um, ask away. And while you're thinking of what to ask, I'm going to do Flare because a couple of people want that. And the other Chris bought a mug and wants some Flare. So Flare, my computer's being a bit slow, even though it's an M series computer. So Flare, we're lagging all over the place. Sammy, I did actually see that. That's why I'm a bit awake. It is now 4:20 a.m. Sammy, you know why I'm a little bit awake, don't you? Okay, so Flare. Flare is basically it gives live data. It is what Chainlink does. I've seen interviews with, and I've seen him in London as well. I've met the one of the people that worked on the Flare token and the project. Um, and it's basically a better chain link. The security is much better, and it's a good token. Whether or not it means this will perform better than Chainlink is a different question. Why would it not perform better if it's actually better than Chainlink, in my opinion? Well, because the sentiments around Chainlink, Chainlink has been known for a long, long time. The name is known. Everyone thinks it's a secure investment, which it probably is. But Flare is that dark horse. That's one of the tokens you look for bigger gains. It's in the smaller market cap. It's $1.45 billion market cap. So I think it's possible for a token like this to do a 20. It can do a 100x. It can do a 20x. I think the risk to reward is quite good on Flare. There was an airdrop to all XRP holders. So when the original XRP holders that were part of the airdrop, they think, actually, what should I put my money in? Well, I got a Flare airdrop back in 2022. Um, that must have something to do with XRP. Let me put it into Flare. That's the sentiment I'm going around. When the XRP holders want to take profits, what are they going to put it in? They are used to the coin Flare. It's a much smaller market cap. A small amount of money can move Flare, and currently it's at support around 2.5 cents. I expect this to go to 5 cents. I expect this to even possibly go to 15 cents. So I'm looking at big gains on Flare. It is very high risk. I do have, it's probably my third or fourth biggest holding. I think it's going to go higher, but I also know that a token that doesn't have much mainstream attention might not perform as well, even though the technology I think is good. Some names that I've spoken about, I think Brad's spoken about it. I'm 100% sure that Charles Hopkinson, the founder of ADA and Cardano, has talked about it. Um, so yeah, there are some big names talking about Flare. Um, and just looking at the technicals, this is sort of the area I've been buying. I've been buying on the way up, way down, and I'm looking for a higher price to sell. Probably 5 cents is my first level I'm selling Flare. Then I'm probably looking at 15 cents, 50 cents. I'll probably release most of my bag at 50 cents if we do ever get up there, but it is unlikely it will. Um, but the risk to reward is looking like Flare is is worth it to me anyway. Again, not financial advice. Let's look at the question. Let's see if the other Chris has given us a question, and then let's get out of here. A deal came. It was agreed between Israel and Hamas for the release of the kidnapped. Huge hope is back in the air for some great days to come. Yes, it was brilliant news. End the suffering for all. When would you? Oh, okay, we got his question. Thank you, Christopher Pennington, for your purchase of the mugs. I hope you enjoy them. And let's see what your question was. When would be a good price to buy back? Um, Everything's breaking now. When would be a good price to buy back XRP? I've sold 20% of my um, XRP after buying 10,000 at $1.20. Okay, So firstly, what I'll say is um, don't take this as financial advice. It is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. A question like that, I'm not going to answer directly, because what's right for me buying it at a price is not right for you. I don't know your financial circumstances. I don't want to know your financial circumstances. I don't know what your risk tolerance is. I don't know what your capacity for loss is. I don't know any of that. But the way I'm going to look at your question is where would traders get back into this? People which have a lot of money behind them, a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge, and they don't mind losing money because of a massive portfolio to work with anyway. Where would they buy back? Depending on what type of trader they are. Um, so definitely don't take this as financial advice. So if you are the short-term quick trader, you want to get back in, you don't want to lose out on any gains, that would be $3. That's what we were looking for when we were looking for it at a small time frame. That was $4. Someone would buy back on that dip. Someone looking for a larger dip, the next level of support you're looking at $2.73. As the next value entry, $2.62. And then ultimately, if you're just a long-term investor and you want to sort of ladder in, you'd buy some at $3. You probably won't because you've already entered. So you'd wait. You'd see $2.60. Put 30% in. You'd wait $2.30, another 30%, $2. You put another 30%, and then any remainder you'll buy at 170, 183. Do I think 183, $172, 180 or 171 is going to occur? No. What am I always prepared for in the cryptocurrency market? I'm always prepared for a 50% crash during the bull market and an 80% correction during the bear market. So I think we're in a bull market, so I'm always prepared for a 50% correction. And where would that take us from the high? A 50% correction. This is what I'm always prepared for, and I always want to have a bit of money on the side in case I can buy a 50% correction. That would be at the bottom. That would be around $1.70. So I would leave some money on the side for $1.70. What's more likely within a bull market? A 30 to 40% correction. So where would that leave us? That would leave us somewhere around $2.20 and $2. So I'm leaving some money, maybe 20% for the lower levels, 160. The main level I'm looking at, the more likely thing that happens during bull markets is possibly a 30% correction. Okay, we're looking at $2.30. But right now we're on the next phase to the upside. The high risk investor doesn't want to miss out on the next phase. So they are prepared for a little crash that might come when we hit all-time highs, or we might go above, a little bit above all-time highs and we get a 30% correction. So you're looking at around $2.62, $2.37 as entry points. Again, it all depends on your circumstances. The levels of support are below us. Do I think it's the right think? Do I think the sentiment right now should be okay? Where do I buy? Not really. I think the sentiment now should be okay. Am I holding? Do I have enough profits? Should I be selling? Have I made enough gains already? I can sell right now, and I've made a lot of money, or the percentage gain's already good, or where am I looking to in the future? Do I have enough? Do I want to get risky again? Shall I just wait and see if my bag right now takes me up to the main levels, $4.70, $5, $6, $8? Do I have to constantly always be looking at buying during a bull market? Because there's always going to be opportunities. So all of that to consider. Do some more research, look at the chart yourself, look at other content, look at the theories of investing and how to control emotions and all that sort of stuff. But thank you all for tuning in. Just a recap, XRP is broken out, highest daily candle close. XRP is looking bullish. I'm holding, I'm not selling, I'm waiting for higher levels. If we close in the next 23 hours back above $3, I'm still ultra bullish. We got that SEC appeal. I don't think it's too big of an issue. We looked at the facts. The facts are on Ripple's side. We looked at the mugs. Everyone's got an XRP mug. Do support the channel. Be added to Discord. Oh, I've done the wrong thing there. Martyn's posted in the chat. I was in the studio, so I apologise, Martyn. That's come up from you. And that is the link for the shop. Okay, if you do want to see some extra information, you can always join me on Discord. Do it that way. You will now be redirected to the XRP Bank of America event in the morning, which is something very important to have a look at. I'd love to see some mug purchases when I end the stream as well, while I go fulfill the rest. Thank you all so much for tuning in. XRP is going below $3 again today. Yeah, maybe it will, probably will, but hoping it will, by the time the daily candle closes in 22 hours, we're back above. Any thoughts on Chill Guy ETH? No, I wouldn't be buying that. Thanks, everyone. Okay, my chat is broken. It's time to end the show. 4:30 a.m. Goodness gracious, what are we doing? Thank you all for tuning in. Let me see if I can see the comments on my phone because my laptop's now broken as well. Great community, thanks. Yes, I love the community. Thank you for supporting the community. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Thank you for the live stream. Thank you all. Go to the next live stream. It's pinned. If you click on that link, and if you don't want to wait 13 hours, then go to the link. Press notify me. I wish I could show you, but let me see if I can. But my whole laptop's taking up there's too much going on for the laptop to process right now. Go to click that link. It's pinned, or the show, or this will take you there. Once you're taken there, there's going to be a notify me button on the thumbnail. Hit that so you can join us in the morning, and hit the like button if you won't be able to join us. On your way out, please do subscribe. Please hit the like button. Consider buying some mugs. Don't FOMO. Learn more. If you've missed out, there's always another opportunity. But thank you all very much for tuning in. I very much enjoyed this 1 hour and 45-minute stream at 4:30 a.m. on my first night of being on holiday. I wouldn't choose it any other way. You're the man. Thanks for hanging out. At least you're on the equator, so it won't get as dark as early. Oh, good point. Thanks very much. Okay, thank you all. Until next time, take care of yourselves.